the Ghana Youth and Cultural Group.
Fellow countrymen, I humbly ask all of us to rise up for a minute of silence for all departed friends, relatives, and the freedom fighters. Freedom! Freedom!
Please have a seat.
Freedom! Fellow Ghanaians, I stand here on the fields of Savannah of Kintampo, and I call on all Ghanaians across the length and breadth of the country. All Ghanaians from Accra to Paga, all Ghanaians from Elubo to Ablao, all Ghanaians from Axim to Zabzugu, and all Ghanaians across the oceans. I call on you that together, with one accord, let us say a very big thank you to the gallant men and women who fought for Ghana's independence. To you, oh freedom fighters, we say Mungode. To you, freedom fighters, we say Yada Homasi. To you, we say Oyualidon. To you, our men and women, we say Apekakaka. To you, we say thank you. And to you, we say Yadamase.
That is beautiful. Can we give a round of applause? That is the Ghana flag, the red, gold, green, and black star. The yellow stands for the gold, the natural resources we do
We are privileged to enjoy this moment. We would ensure that your dream of a sovereign state, Ghana, is achieved. We solemnly pledge that we will do our best to make Ghana a great nation. Thank you very much, our freedom fighters.